Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you my apartment which Etihad Airways gives to their cabin crew members. So this is our living room and the kitchen is attached to it. The kitchen is small but it's very comfortable and cozy. We have a stove right over here, and you can see we have many compartments to store our spices and kitchen items. We also have a microwave, and yes, this is the refrigerator, and next to it we have the washing machine. Let's go. This is our living room, and you can see this is room number 1, and room number 1 doesn't belong to me. My room is room number 2. We can see TV, sofas and dining table over here. We also have balcony attached to the living room. Let's go inside my room. So yes, this is my room and I found it really beautiful. I love the color and the way everything is arranged. Even though the space is small, it feels very comfortable and cozy. As you can see, we have one mirror over here and another mirror on that side. And this is my look for today. This was my airport look and I'm so happy. This is how we wear, because when we travel during staff, we have to wear some standards. Right next to it, you can see the welcome kit provided by Etihad Airways. So if you want to know about it, let me know so I can make a separate video. You can see this is the window attached. There is no view because it's on the first floor. However, I still like it. It's not that bad. This is the wardrobe. On one side, I can hang my uniform and I can keep my suitcases on the top. On the other side, I can store my clothes and other items. So yes, this is my washroom, and one thing I was really concerned about was having an washroom attached, because I didn't want it to be outside the room. Luckily, I got a washroom inside my room. So yes, this is my washroom and I really love it. The space is nice, clean and comfortable. That's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.